Welcome back to eCreativeAid. Hiccups are a group of rapid and involuntary contractions that occur in the diaphragm, accompanied by an adverse reaction from the epiglottis that closes the throat, which produces a distinctive, disturbing, involuntary voice. It causes some pain if repeated, and sometimes embarrassing when you're among people. There are a lot of reasons that lead to hiccups, such as excessive intake of soft drinks. Eating fast causes sudden changes in the size of the stomach, leading to hiccups. Some types of medicine lead to the occurrence of hiccups, such as medicine for epilepsy and sedatives. Eating hot food can cause hiccups too, and some serious tumors in both the lungs and the diaphragm lead to hiccups. And some factors such as changes in weather, excessive smoking, or exposure to trauma such as emotional trauma. Here are the most prominent ways to stop hiccups that work by squeezing the diaphragm in order to control its contractions causing the hiccups, while others relax it. Breathing deeply, withdrawing as much air as possible into the lungs, then holding it as long as possible, and then exhaling it out slowly. Repeat this several times may help you get rid of hiccups. In addition, you can immerse your face in cold water for 30 seconds, or you can put some white sugar in your mouth and let it melt slowly. You can also try gargling with lukewarm water mixed with salt or sugar. Gargling allows the diaphragm to relax. You can also put honey or peanut butter in your mouth and let it melt slowly. To treat hiccups in children, give the child a small amount of water or give them a pacifier to solve this problem. If your hiccups persisted for more than 24 hours, you should consult your doctor. For children, see your doctor if more than 3 hours. And this is it. Thank you for watching. And if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.